Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use VMware Cloud for infrastructure management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, start by logging into your VMware Cloud account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see an overview of your existing resources. Click on Create a new resource to begin setting up your infrastructure. Select the type of resource you wish to create, such as a virtual machine or a network. Follow the prompts to configure the desired settings for your resource. After configuring your resource, click on Review and Create to finalize your settings. Once your resource is created, it will appear on the dashboard. Next, to manage your resources, click on Resource Management in the sidebar. Here, you can monitor the performance of your infrastructure. You can also scale resources up or down based on your needs. For advanced configurations, navigate to the Advanced Settings option. This section allows you to adjust network settings and storage options. If you need to deploy applications, go to the Marketplace section. Browse available applications and select the ones you wish to. Click on Deploy to add these applications to your infrastructure. To automate processes, explore the automation tools available in VMware Cloud. You can create scripts to manage routine tasks efficiently. Regularly check the Alerts section for any notifications regarding your infrastructure. For support, visit the Help Center for resources and documentation. Finally, ensure to log out securely from your account after your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.